Interested in athletic training? See what our program here at UVA has to offer.
Here at UVA, you're surrounded by history, innovation, and a standard of excellence that pushes you to be your best. And in our MSAT program, we make sure you never do that alone.
I chose UVA because as a Richmond-born native, I understand the prestige that this school holds. I felt like with the skill set that I provided going into grad school that UVA was able to circle everything that I needed as far as sports programs, my cohort that I've been able to have the pleasure of being with for the last 2 years, the professors, and just the overall support in area of Charlottesville.
Whether you're in the classroom, in the clinic, or on the field, this is a program built around doing and becoming.
The UVA MSAT program is 10 years old now. We were first started in 2017 as a precursor to the changes that were made by Katie to have a professional graduate program. Many of our students go on to professional jobs all over the country, and we expect our students to become very successful within the field, and there's multiple networking opportunities for our students as well.
Our program is tight-knit, creating a familial culture where you're supported from day one. It's competitive to get in, but once you're here, it's all collaboration.
My name is Mary Lyle. I'm a second-year MSAT student. I was part of the accelerated program, which allowed me to finish both of my degrees in 5 years instead of 6. And I got to meet all of the faculty pretty early, which allowed me to become familiar with everyone. And I chose UVA because it's one big happy family.
You will have the opportunity to work with Power 4 athletics, including NCAA championship teams, Olympians, and future pro athletes. With brand new athletic training facilities, it highlights the importance that sports medicine has at this university.
I like being a preceptor at the University of Virginia because our students challenge us to grow every day. They're always asking why we do things, why things work, what is the best treatment option for our patients. And so they really keep us on our toes.
Hi, my name is Eric Zhuang. I'm a first-year MSAT student here at UVA. And originally born and raised in China, one thing I appreciate the most coming down here is how inclusive my classmates and preceptors are to me. And I really like the clinical experience here, not only because Virginia sports is really good, but also how we're gonna apply what we learn in class and then directly apply to the clinical experience. And also our preceptors here are very knowledgeable, and they know how to raise AT students in the clinic, even though it's a first year, but I still learn a lot from them.
In 2027, we will be moving into a brand new classroom in Memorial Gymnasium. It will be complete with private exam rooms for simulation and state-of-the-art tech, including a virtual dissection table in SimMan 3G. As part of class and their scholarly projects, students in our program are able to experience the cutting edge of sports medicine research. They have the opportunity to learn and research in the exercise and sport injury lab alongside professors and PhD students, where they work with the latest tech, including load soles, motion capture systems, biodecks, and more.
My name is Kayla, and I'm a first-year PhD student in the kinesiology department and a 2022 graduate of the UVA MSAT program. Being 4 years removed, I can genuinely say that much of who I am as a clinician was shaped during my time here. From passing my BOC on the first try to discovering my love for research, I would not be where I am today without this program. I also want to give a special shout out to all the preceptors who I worked with while I was here. Thank you for still being a source of support for me for both my personal and professional life.
If you're looking for a place that will challenge you, support you, and help you find your passion, this is it.